2 days after the end of the FIBA Asia Cup 2021 qualifiers, the two teams faced off at the AUF Arena on a rainy Wednesday afternoon. Dwight Ramos did not suit up for the Philippines, while Carl Tamayo remained on the sidelines with a sprained ankle, while 2016 NBA draftee Zhou Qi did not see action for China. Gilas head coach Tab Baldwin opened the game with a tall lineup with Ange Kwame and Kai Soto as the bigs, Justin Baltazar and William Navarro at the wings, and SJ Belangel as the point guard. It was Navarro who opened the scoring in the game, but China quickly responded with a 10-0 run. Baskets from Kwame and Jordan Heading helped the Philippines get back into the flow later in the first quarter. Kai Soto had a dominant second quarter as he played his best basketball with Gilas Pilipinas so far. The 7'3" center scored in a variety of ways to score 11 points in the period. Soto got help from Lebron Lopez, Baltazar, and Kwame to give Gilas a 41-35 advantage at the half. RJ Abanientos ran the show well to start the third quarter as he repeatedly created open shots for his teammates. Lopez also got to show his athleticism and defensive prowess in the period on the open court, including a big chase down block. Gilas Pilipinas stayed aggressive as they constantly attacked the shaded area to lead 63-59 heading into the final period. The Philippine side got a little bit from everyone in the fourth quarter as the team shared the ball well. Barrientos once again stepped up to make key baskets and assists. However, China stayed stubborn as they gave themselves a great opportunity in the endgame. Unfortunately for Gilas, China made the first free throw, deliberately missed the second, and then got a tip-in from 7'5" Liu Xuanxing at the buzzer to tie the count at 79 all at the end of the fourth quarter. With it being a tune-up game, the overtime period was not necessary. Although they did not pick up the win, Gilas gained much-needed experience before they head to Belgrade, Serbia. They are now also armed with the knowledge that they can hang with the giants of Asian basketball should they meet again in the 2021 FIBA Asia Cup.
But you know what? They're pretty good. They're pretty good. They've got guys that can shoot. They hit a lot of threes on us today. They certainly play the game fast. They attack. And I think you answered every question that they asked you. So, I'm pleased that we still have key guys out. And, we're going to be okay. It's still a long road. Let's not lose sight of that. We're going to be okay. We're going to be a tough team. Okay? So let's just keep doing what we need to do to get better and better and better. All right?
China played again very physical basketball. They really pushed us to the limit. They got off to a good start. And again, we just showed that fighting spirit and found ways, came back. At times looked very good out there. Looked like the team was in control. I think we led most of the game. And we dealt with something different today than what we dealt with